In this video, we're going to be creating an improvisation, all on the white keys. The left hand is going to have triads, but they're not going to be block triads. They're going to be broken somehow. Going up, going down, going up and down, with some sort of repeated note maybe. Or we could double up two of them and separate out a third one, break the third one out, or the middle one. Now the right hand is going to have octaves also on the white keys, but they're going to be broken. Now, how are we going to do this? We have broken octaves, we have broken up triads in the left hand. Well, we could try breaking up all of the notes. How does that sound? It sounds pretty nice to me. The F. Now notice the hands are going to be moving in tandem. I'm in a D position here on the white keys, every other white key to get that basic triad, and then D octaves. And when I go to F, everything is going to move to F. So here's the notes just going up. Maybe I do it again. Maybe it's 4 times. Let's go to F. Let's go to G. Let's go to A. Let's go to D again. It's a pretty nice sound. Let's go to C, A, G. So that's working. What about going down? What does that sound like? I'll be in the F position. That sounds pretty nice. What if I went up and then down with those same tones? I'm going to start, let's say, in F. Let's go back to F. E. C. G. What if I want a more continuous sound? Whoops, let's see. That works nicely. I can just go one right into the next. I can stop the figure at any time. I can keep it going. Stop it here. Maybe I stop somewhere different. Stop somewhere different. Keep it going. Stop it somewhere entirely different. So that's working pretty well. Now, another way to break the chord. Remember I said you could do 2 notes together and a third one that is separated out or broken from the others. This is a very common pattern. This idea, top 2, bottom 1, top 2, bottom 1. And I could, again, break my octave. A position, G, this is working double time, and this is twice as slow. E, G. You get the idea. Now, there's another pattern. You should probably know this. Triad position. If you do bottom note, middle note, top note. that is called the Alberti bass, named after a composer of the classical era in Italy named Alberti. And became quite the rage. People were super excited about this. So it's more classical, but it can be very effective. Remember, we're still trying to do some sort of broken idea. I could just go back and forth, but I was trying to create some sort of syncopated idea in the right hand. So here's that figure. There, you get the idea. You got the idea. I love the every note by itself, up and down, like this sort of figure. I like the little Alberti bass. You can also do the outer two and the middle one separated out. Let's go to A, F. Creative, move this up. Maybe just this by itself. Let's go back to A. You can stop it sometimes. Let's go to G. Keep it going. Let's go to F. A to G. Move around. Use these ideas. So you have triads. This is all in the white keys. Triads that are broken. Somehow you create the pattern in the left hand, and your right hand has broken octaves in the same sort of hand position. Okay? See what you can make of that.